For companies with factories, the big question is always, how can I optimize my operations? And now with so many data points available, how can I harness this information to optimize factory production? ABB Robotics now makes it easier than ever for businesses to collect, manage, and analyze data from hundreds of factory devices from one centralized location with OptiFact, our latest software platform. Let's consider a typical user. Let me introduce to you James. In his daily work life, James is faced with various challenges. Let's say he's imagining a new process to introduce additional functionality to his product. Robot Studio lets him build, test, and refine robot installations in a virtual environment to ensure safe operations in the proximity of other robots and people, with full confidence that what he sees in his simulations will match one-to-one how the robots move in real life. Using Robot Studio's automatic path planning feature, he can determine the optimal robot path in the blink of an eye. Finally, he can use Robot Studio Cloud to collaborate with co-workers and end customers all around the world. Next, James will have to realize his deployment and get production up and running. With tools such as Wizard Easy Programming, James can use block-based programming and a user-friendly flex pendant to program his cobots and 6-axis industrial robots for lean applications in minutes, all without specialized training. And with our RobotWare family of controller software, as well as SafeMove, which offers best-in-class motion control to meet the highest safety and performance requirements, he can make them perform precisely as intended. And let's say James needs an autonomous trolley to transport the heavy batteries from one production line to the next. With Visual SLAM, short for simultaneous localization and mapping, he can harness the power of visual sensing and artificial intelligence to make his AMR navigate safely and reliable throughout the factory floor. So once the production line is up and running, James will be called to elevate his performance, address issues as they arise, and adapt operations to changing circumstances. First, OptiFact helps him easily collect and store data from factory devices, and this increases production uptime up to 20%. Then, features such as virtual stopwatches makes it easier than ever for James to determine key indicators such as cycle times, speeding up the diagnosis of errors, and massively accelerating productivity gains. ABB's digital tools are shaping the way people and robots interact to ensure a scalable and sustainable future. So I invite to follow us as we continue to spearhead software development at ABB to help you take your factory automation solutions to the next level.